Hi. 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 Oh, it's gonna start raining here in a minute. This might be a short video.
There's Bandit.
There's Bandit. Hi, Roscoe. I'm down here sitting on the blanket tonight. We had to move away from the lights. We left them on and
There's Teddy there.
they've drawn so many bugs. Hi, Bandit.
Oh, they come from the tree.
She didn't want that one. It didn't have no cookie or no frosting in it. There's Teddy Bear. There's Fonzie. There's little Miss Growly. Hey, Roscoe. There's Teddy Bear. Oh. Hi, Roscoe. Hello, Miss Growly. There's Fonzie. Oh, we've been seeing the babies, but we haven't seen none out whenever everybody's out here eating. They come up to the bird feeder. We seen 3 sitting in the bird feeder a while ago. And then they got down, and then 2 more got up there. And then they got down. Then another mama came up with just 1 baby. Oh, they're so precious. I can't wait to share them with you guys. They are precious. Precious, precious, precious. Hi, baby. Oh, she's got her hand up. She's got her hand up. Everybody all happy. Everybody just sitting around, just eating. Okay. Grabbing a hold of my leg. That felt funny. I was like, wait. Old Bandy, he was sneaking a field. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 right now. You're up in her lap. Old Fonzie gets in her lap. There's Bandit. Grab a hold of my hand.
You know.
She had her hand up. Oh, I feel the rain. I feel the rain. Look at them, they're all coming up. We're not sitting at the right angle for the light. Ooh, the lightning! Whoa! You guys better hurry up and eat. Listen to that thunder. Hi, Bandit. Bandit's become my buddy. Oh, that's some thunder. Oh my goodness. She had her hand up. How many we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 right now. No, don't bite my hand. You thought my thumb was a sausage. You can't get my hand, Bandit. Got 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 right now. We got 20 right now. Here, Fonzie. Fonzie sitting on a bed of gold. Look at all them cookies, Fonzie. Look at all them cookies, Fonzie. Oh, they're coming out of the woodwork now. She's got her hand up. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'm counting like 22 right now. I'm counting like 22. Hi, buddy. Well, Bandit grabbing a hold of my leg, saying, "Hey, I need another cookie." She's got her hand up. Ain't that so cute? Oh, boy, them cookies go fast. Oh, all these cookies were donated by Shells and her city critters. Thank you so much for the wonderful care package. As you can see, they love it. She sent all sorts of stuff for the critters. From the cats to the dogs, to the raccoons, to the possums. She sent us all little snacks. One sitting behind Mrs. Critter. 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's my leg. Yeah, you touched me. He said, "Hey, I need another one." It scared me. I was going to count there, Bandit. I was going to count. Now they done. Some of them done took off. There's our little Bandit.
Nice cookie.
Uh-oh.
I'm all gone. All gone.
all well done for the night. You gotta clean up. You gotta get all these.
Oh, that's scared.
Ooh, the thunder. Come on, you guys gotta eat all these. Gotta clean up. Oh, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. So we're all gonna clean them up. We're gonna get to eat these. Look, I found one. You're the lucky one. You get it. Got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. One sticking his head up back there. 19. You guys gotta all clean these up. Yep. Here. Nope. Gotta clean them up, Miss Growly. Gotta clean them up. Uh-oh, is everybody running for? Everybody took off. Nobody wants to clean up after the party. That's what it is. Nobody wants to clean up. But either way, it's starting to rain. Thank you all for watching from Country Critters. We love you guys. Thank you for all your help and support. We love you.